Honorable members, as I said, I'm going to read the President's letter. The letter is addressed to the Speaker of Parliament, the Right Honorable Speaker, Parliament of Uganda, Kampala, dated 22nd June 2024. Reference is budget reallocation by Parliament. The recent case of the members of Parliament that were arrested for some alleged offenses has again highlighted the mistake that the members of Parliament interfering with the constitutional mandate of the President of budgeting for the country by reallocating monies budgeted for the core sectors of the economy. In the last 4 financial years, the members of Parliament have been reallocated a total of Uganda shillings 3.7 trillion. This is a real sabotage. When we reconstructed Kampala-Masaka Road, we used Uganda shillings 440 billion. Therefore, diverting the 3.1 trillion in 4 years is equivalent to aborting 9 big roads of the Kampala-Masaka type, or a much larger number of smaller roads. You know very well the important roads that we have been struggling with. You have seen how much the Tirinyi-Palisa-Kumi road has helped the people of the area by avoiding the need to pass through Mbale City when they are traveling to Soroti. You have seen how the Musita, Mayuge, Namayingo, Busia Road has helped the people of that area. You have seen how the Mukono, Katosi, Nkokonjero, Nyenga Road has helped the people of that area. Yet, for the Tirinyi-Palisa-Kumi Road, we used Uganda shillings 443.42 billion only. How much more happy would you have the Ugandans be if you have tarmacked the Kumi, Ngora, Serere, Bugondo Road, the Soroti, Amoria, Achanpi, Patong, Abim Road, the Kanoni, Michana Road, the Nyansi, Kasanda, Bukunyu, Kivoga Road, the Sembabule, Liantonde, Rakai Road, the Luero, Butalangwa, Ngoma, Masindi Road, the Nsinka, Nyakabirizi Road, the Nakivale Bakai Road, the Fort Portal Kijura Road, etc. I have written this issue, see my letter dated 28 April 2020. The Attorney General has guided on the matter. The court have guided, yet the practice goes on. There are 3 mistakes involved here. These are indiscipline in budgeting, sabotaging the national priorities, and now the suspicion of massive corruption. I am therefore writing to request that this practice stops accordingly. As per Article 91(3)(c) of the Constitution of 1995, I decline to assent to Appropriation Bill 2024 and return it to Parliament, and request that no reshuffling of the budget should ever happen again without an input of the executive. Apart from the legality and constitutionality of the issues involved, there is common sense. Sprinkling money by MPs to get cheap popularity in their constituencies will make us to lose the focus on the core items. How can patriots be part of these mistakes? Signed by the President, yaM7.